Wasteland. Yes, in today's episode we are finally doing it. We're looking at the most efficient, easiest way to strip paint off of cars here in the UK. And you might be wondering, well, why is this a UK version? Why is this not a universal one for all of our friends across the globe? Well, it comes down to I live in the UK and I only really know what's available for sale here in the UK. But I imagine if I can buy it here in the middle of, Mordor, then I'm pretty sure anywhere else in the world you'll be able to find the same thing. Anyway, so we're stripping paint. What do we need? We need cars, and we also need the paint stripper, which is this lovely stuff. Dun 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 dun! Nitro Mors. Okay, so this stuff is designed for stripping paint off of fences, and it doesn't mess about. Now, there's a few things to keep in mind with Nitro Mors. One, it only works on metal. I mean, technically it works on wood and ceramic and all that stuff. But if you put plastic in this, it will just dissolve into nothing. Like, it will just be obliterated. So this is not for miniatures, this is not for Warhammer or HeroClix or anything else. This is just for metal toy cars and, metal models in general. But yes, this stuff is what I swear by when it comes to stripping paint off of toy cars. I don't always do it. If I'm feeling lazy or a bit cheap, I won't always go for this stuff. But I tell you what, it is the bee's knees. And that's why today's episode is going to be a special timed episode. This episode is only going to last, give or take, 5 minutes. And we're already 2 minutes in. So, let's keep going. So, we've got the Nitro Mors. What else do you need? Well, you need your cars. So, Nitro Mors, cars. You're going to need something to do it in. And that's why old mugs come in handy. So, lovely things, handles go, they get a bit, not very good. Water in one, Nitro Mors in the other, job done. Because the good news about this stuff, you put it in water and it deactivates it. So that's why I swear by it, because it's relatively safe. Just, don't eat it or drink it or breathe it in or get it on your skin or anything like that, or put an open flame to it. Okay, great, so Nitro Mors, mugs, what else do you need? Gloves, because we're not savages, we want to protect our hands, so get some cheapo gloves from the pound or Dollar Tree, put those on. What else do you need? Well, you can't pick them up with your bare hands, so pliers. Use pliers, pick up the metal bits to plop in the wonderful green acid. Great. What else do we need? We need a brush to brush the paint off of the thing. Okay, let's keep it moving on. Let's keep it moving. Okay, so first things first, we're going to need to de-rivet the cars so that we can, take them apart and get the metal bits away from the plastic bits. So, if the wheels don't turn, it's not a real toy. Okay, so here they are. They've all been de-riveted, as you can see, and there's some lovely details in these. I'm going to have some real fun taking the paint off these. But we're going to keep a move on, so let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's do this, come on. Out of the way, kitty cat. We're doing this outside because it's, excitingly dangerous stuff. So, hopefully the weather's still good. We've had, perfect weather in the last however many days for the floods and rain, but hopefully it's still good. So, oh, that's brisk. Oh, come on. Look at that. Oh, helpful kids next door have been sorting out the fence. Oh, let's close this. Okay, why can't I see anything? It's because two hands. Sorry, Cass, I've got to lock you inside. Your own safety. Oh. Doing this outside on the bins under the watchful view of nothing because it is safer than trying to do this indoors. Okay, so let's get this open. So you twist the top safety thing. So let's get that off. Keep the lid because you'll need that. Alright, let's take this off. Okay, that's just a disposable bit. And then what you need to do is you need to pierce the film. So what we're going to do for that, we're just going to use the pliers and go jab, 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 jab until we get that delicious green ooze starts to ooze out there. Right, so mug, green ooze, go splat, 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 splat. It's like slime. You ever see those slime videos? Splat, splat, splat. Right. You don't need much, just a little bit. And then most important thing, you got your container, put the lid back on. Alright, great. So what do we need? Gloves. as I've discovered, I can't actually record the video while wearing 2 gloves, so we're going to have one gloved hand and one not gloved hand. So, very easy. Take your sacrificial car, drop it into the delicious ooze, and that's going to start working its magic on there. In fact, let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's just fish out that mini now. Oh, sorry, beetle now. Oh, you can see it. You can see it. The transformation. It's starting already. It's starting to bubble up and peel away. That's exactly what we want. So a bit longer in there. Before you know it, we'll be getting off. No time. Okay. We've officially reached peak ooze. So this is exactly what we want. We want it to be bubbling up exactly like that. So now what we need to do is carefully take it and just put the lovely mixture straight into the water as the acid comes off. And then you take your brush and you go like this. And all of a sudden all the paint just starts coming off. Look at that. Look at how beautiful and easy that is. So what the water does, the water deactivates the acidic properties, and it allows you to actually touch and hold it without instantly dying. So there you go. That is how you strip the paint off cars. And I know what you guys are going to say. You're going to say, oh, but I can still see the paint on this one, and you know, it's come off a bit on the front and a bit on the back, but you can't say that paint's stripped off. I mean, you can still see the little Hot Wheels logo on it, look. And yes, I know, but it comes down to how long you leave these in the Nitro Mors for. I did this in 5 minutes to show you guys that A, you can strip things pretty damn fast, and B, how I do it, what I use and how I do it. And it is a quick process, and you do get pretty good results. I mean, check out this lovely fire engine. The front of that is pretty much completely stripped. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And hell, on this one, I was thinking of cutting off the front anyway, because I'm not super into all the oldie-timey kind of fire engine-y bits anyway. It's just the front that I was interested in when I bought this in the charity shop. So yeah, now I call this video a success, as always. And yes, that is how I strip my cars. So yeah, thank you for watching Wasteland. And before we go, yes, start the countdown timer again, because for people in the UK, Gaslands UK, you only have 1 day left, 24 hours, Sunday, midnight, tomorrow. It has to be in. Your entry for Car of the Month 2020, February, has to be in. We are doing the diorama, so you've only got until tomorrow. The entries that are coming in are absolutely stunning. So come on guys, get the last bits of paint on, get those photos done and uploaded. Come on, you haven't got long left. There's money on the line here, guys. You can win cash prizes. Well, technically it's coupons, but cash prizes. Thank you for watching Wasteland, and I will see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.